So hey guys, so far it's been a fun long day. I got a little sunburn on my coconut. Jill's pooped, I'm pooped, tired. 6 o'clock, about another hour or so, hour and a half. We have like the meet and greet thing down there from like 6 I think till 9 something. It's been a good day. I talked to a lot of people, learned a lot of things. I think they had a lot of cars out there. They're taking some. They're going to do a. I think they're going for a car cruise around Palm Springs, like a little deal. And we did the live feed. I do have to apologize. We were losing reception and stuff. We're still trying to figure that out. Probably maybe won't do live feeds until we get it figured out. But I've interviewed a bunch of people or talked to a bunch of people. Very cool. The owner of a Yanko, he had it on a dyno, and I filmed some of that. And then I actually talked to him out here on when he pulled it up out here and did a little talk. He talked about the whole car. It's very cool. And so yeah, I think tomorrow will even be a better day. There was like kind of relaxed this morning. People were still rolling in later than, you know, it was supposed to start at 10. And there was people still getting here 11, 12, 1, you know. But, you know, I think tomorrow morning, I think everything starts at 8. And there's a lot of people here, probably more people coming tomorrow. And it's a good time. Could use a little breeze. It's getting nice now because the sun's just starting to go over the mountains. But it was warm, a little warm in the sun. You know, if you sat in the shade, it was nice. Did a lot of walking. Enjoyed the swap meet. Bought some stuff. It's very funny when you're walking around and someone's like, hey, I know you know, Tom, or some people, Scott Tom, and I watch your channel, and, you know, the subscribers we have and the people that view it. So it's pretty cool. And some people were commenting on, like, you know, correcting me on the way I'm calling wrong parts and stuff. So it's kind of funny. And I said, yeah, it's fine. Just, you know, I'm learning. You know, I've only been doing it for less than 4 months. So it's cool. Enjoying it. It's lovely out here. You know, hope they have it here again next year. So we'll be posting lots of pictures and videos when we get back. I'll be doing some editing and doing all that and getting stuff together and take as much do as much filming and stuff I can do tomorrow. And yeah, cool. All right. Thanks for watching. Thanks, Cooper Addiction. It's crazy out there.